all my friends, relatives, and cousins, Happy New Year. This is going to be a very important video because we're starting the new year, and I want some of you guys to start the new year off right, looking at the possibilities of what you can do throughout the year, making money, trading the stock and option market. Now, I'm going to entitle this video, the Uncle Cal video. And the reason I'm calling it the Uncle Cal video, because Cal is a friend of mine that we've been friends for the last 200 years. And my kids started calling him Uncle Cal when they were born. His kids started calling me Uncle Leon when they were born. And we've been calling each other Uncle Leon and Uncle Cal for the last 100 years. But Cal trades the Forex market, which is currencies. And he and I were having a discussion about how to get into the market and how to get out of the market real quick by starting off using your support and your resistance lines. And I wanted to show all of you that it does not matter what market you trade. You can trade stocks, you can trade currencies, you can trade the Forex, the futures market, cryptocurrency, do whatever. All of these markets work the same. So this strategy, he and I talked about this week, a couple of days ago, and we're going to put this strategy into motion this upcoming week. I'm recording this today on a Monday, and it's a holiday, Dr. Martin Luther King Day. So the markets are closed. I'm going to show you on a virtual account how the markets move. And I want you guys to practice this. This is not going to cost you any money. This is just practice, but I'm going to show you how it works, how to get in, get out, and how you can make money from here. So without further ado, let's go to one of my screens where I can share it with you. Now, remember, this is for educational purposes only. I'm not trying to tell you what stocks or currencies or Forex or anything to buy. They all work the same way. This happens to be the SPY, which is an ETF of the 500 biggest companies in the United States. And I trade this now maybe around 80 to 90% of the time. But as you guys can see by looking up here, this is a daily chart. This is a daily line chart. They're right next to each other. If you guys can notice this visually, you can see the changes in the market much clearer with a line chart. You can see where it went from going down slightly over here on my left to shooting way up. Now, many people would think that you should buy up here. Actually, you should have purchased down here as it broke this particular price range and bought here. We're at the stage right now with this that it should start dropping any day. Now, I'm recording this. I did this on, this is from back April 4th of 2023. So this is the beauty of on demand. We're not going to make or lose any real money, but I want you to see and practice and show you how these markets work. So if you were a trader or are a trader that you would consider buying up here, this is where you would more than likely get hurt. Too much money has been made. And now at this stage, maybe a little bit higher, maybe not. But usually at this stage is where people start to take their profit. And we can make money as the market drops. That's what most people don't realize. You can make money as the market falls. You can make money as the market goes up. So here we are, and based on what I'm looking at, the market has just opened on April 4th of 2023. The market opens at 8:30 in the morning, and now it's 8:32 in the morning. So this is a daily chart. What we're going to do is go down to a 1 hour chart on both, on the line chart and on the candlestick chart. So I want you guys to see that it's already starting to drop right as the market is beginning to open. This little gray area over here is overnight activity. So this is what happened overnight. You can see that it's dropping already, and it's really visual in the line chart. And I'm not even thinking about buying right now unless it goes over 412.42. But I've got resistance points here. We also can go down even lower, and I'm going to go all the way down, as you guys can see, to a 2-minute chart. Here's 2 minutes. I'm going to put it on both charts, 2 minutes. You see that? How it's breaking support. It's breaking support. Now, what a lot of you would have done would be to buy or put in an order to go short or to go down right away. And that's where you get hurt. You never chase a falling knife. Now, this is what you wait for. You wait to see a green candle. You see it showing up a little bit on the candlestick chart, and it's showing up really clear on the 2-minute line chart. We want this to go up. We don't want to buy anything yet, but we're going to anticipate that it is going to go back down sooner or later. Look how it's going. We want to wait for this candle to close. We don't want to do anything. It hasn't broken support. It hasn't done anything. So I'm going to prepare by going to my trade tab. And I'm thinking that it's going to go down. So I want to buy what's called puts. So I'm going to buy put options. I load them up. They're loaded over here in my active trader. And I want to trade at least 3 contracts. But I'm just waiting. I'm waiting and anticipating. That's what you do. And you can do it a lot better looking at a 2-minute or 5-minute chart, but everything has been based off of that 1 hour support and resistance. Look how it's going up. If you had put your order in here, you would have been hurting already. You don't want to do that. Here's where the patience comes in. So with on demand, you can scroll ahead a few more minutes. Let's look ahead a little more. See how it's still going up? See, you guys, how it's still going up? Remember, if you had bought in here, it hit support and it's going back up. But I'm prepared for it to hit resistance. This is a 200 EMA, moving average. I'm prepared for it to hit somewhere up in here and reverse back down. That's where we get in without hurting ourselves. If we're wrong, we'll lose just a little bit of money. But if we're right, we're going to make quite a bit of money. That's the name of the game. Look how it's still going up. We're not going to buy long. We're not going to go long because it's already, you can see where the market is going down. This is in a downtrend, even on the 2-minute chart. So why would we place a long and try to go back up? We don't want to do that. We want it to, it's going to reverse. It's going to get all the people that are buying right now. It got all the people here that were selling. Now it's going to get all the people that are buying or trying to buy. And as soon as they put in their order now to buy because they think it's going to go up, more than likely you're going to see a red candle come into play and drop back down on it. That's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for the drop, the patience that it takes. And look on the line chart, it's starting to drop. We can put in our order right here. Let's put it in for 3 contracts. Just bought. Now, if it reverses on me, this is where I'm going to have my stop loss. Very close, very little money lost if I'm wrong. But now, as you guys can see, it's continually is going down steadily. That's where our money is made. And we want it to at least hopefully come back down to this support line and even break this line over here on the line chart. You can see, you see where I'm pointing. This is very important. We let it ride. This is a sharp turn down, and see that's sharp. You can see the sharpness on the line chart. You can't see that on the candlestick chart, but it's a real sharp drop. Look how it's dropping. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. We're trying to make a few bucks here. We're trying to make a few bucks. It seems to be dropping. It's looking like a nice drop. Continuing to drop. Okay. We're still in. It hasn't reversed. It's not going back green. Let's take it a few minutes further. Let's take it into another 2 or 3 minutes ahead. Okay. Let's see where we are. Look how it's dropping. Look how it's dropping. Okay, there it is. That's the only thing with on demand. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to buffer and make a change so you can see. See how it's dropped all the way? It's dropped. Here we are right here. So I'm going to take, I see it turning. It's turning. It's turning, it's trying to fight its way back up. I've got in way up here. It's dropped way down here. It's trying to make a change. Let's see if it keeps dropping. We can have our stop loss right in here right now. Even if it comes back to there, we've made money. So our stop loss is right in here. Let's ride it a little bit longer and see. Okay. See, that's why you want to wait for the candle to close. It'll fake you out if you don't wait to see what happens. It's dropping still. Okay. Okay, look at that. It's still dropping. Look at that, you guys. Stick with me. If you have questions and you put questions in the comments, or you have a question about a certain strategy, I will try to make a video and name that video after you. This is the Uncle Cal video because we talked about this so much the other day. Look how it's continuing to drop. I can have my stop loss right in here right now, because if it reverses, then I'm going to be out. But I remember I got in way up here by the moving averages. So I am not going to get out yet, and I've made some money. We're only not quite 15 minutes into the opening of this morning. Look at it. It's trying to do something. Let's stay with it. It hasn't changed up on me. The line chart is still red. It's still going down. There's been no sharp changes. Nothing has come back up. So why are we getting out now? We don't want to get out now. We want to stay with this. We see a sharp change. Maybe we'll come out. Take our profits, do something else today. That's up to you. Every individual is going to be different. If I see it come back up, I'm taking my profits that I've made from here down to here, and I'm probably finished for the day. Wait for another signal later on. But right now, I think I'm staying where I am. Okay, here we are. It's still starting to drop. No sharp changes yet. Hope you guys are sticking with me for this video. I hope you guys haven't shut off, because this is your money maker. This is how you make money. Oh, it's turning green here. It's turning a little bit green. It could come back up to here, but I think I'm happy. Let's don't be greedy. Let's just see what we did. I'm gonna sell right here. Quick. Okay. I'm out. That is it. So let's go over and see what that produced. Here we are. That produced $132. Hey, that's $132. That was in, let's see how long we did it. Let's go back. Let's look. I got in at 38.19, was out at 46.14. That is what? About 8 minutes. So it took 8 minutes to make $132. 8 minutes. Here's the time. Here's the profit. I close out the trade, no trades left. I can walk away with this. Now you take $132 times 20 days in the month. You made yourself an extra $2,600 for that month. That's enough not to worry about groceries, not to worry about anything else, enough to eventually accumulate enough to take your vacations or do whatever else you want to do. So of course, you're not going to make that every day. Some days you'll make more, some days you'll make less, but I wanted to give you this good example of how it works and why you should start 2024 learning and how to trade and also learning how to have patience. This can do nothing but help you in life. So I want to thank all of you guys for watching this short video. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and relatives, and contact me so that you can have a video in your name with the questions that you ask, and also contact me so that I can help you learn how to do this and to get patience, have patience in your life so you can do this and make money on a daily, a weekly, and a monthly basis, sitting in your house, minding your own business. So thanks again for watching. Have a great day, and I will talk to you guys soon with another.